Good morning, departure VisionJet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, 9 Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, 9 Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
Hey there, everybody. Thank you so much for watching the channel, and thanks for supporting the channel with your questions, comments, and feedback, all of which are very much appreciated. It is a rainy and windy day here in Nashville, so no flying today, but tomorrow, which will be February 18th, 2022, I will be flying into Owensboro, Kentucky on Cape Air out of Nashville, and I will be picking up a VisionJet midday and flying it to Jonesboro, Arkansas for a client. They just recently purchased the aircraft, so I'm very happy for them and happy to bring it to them so they can start flying it. I wanted to talk to you about a feature that I discovered in ForeFlight. And if you use ForeFlight, you know that there's plenty of features and functions that can be discovered as you use it. I've been using ForeFlight for probably, I don't know, 8 years or so, and I find it to be very, very useful. This particular feature is neat because it essentially allows you to access all of the charts and information for a given airport, whether it's your departure or your arrival airport, right inside of one menu of ForeFlight. But this is essentially a way that puts all of this information right in front of you, and you just simply select what you want. And then from there, of course, you can save those plates or into the plates feature and be able to use those in flight. And as always, make sure you pack before flying. So this feature is accessed, of course, by establishing a flight plan in ForeFlight, which would minimally include a destination and a departure airport. And then from there, what you can do is in the nav menu, in the bottom, there's the Send To button. And the Send To button essentially will open up a dialog box. And this is how you normally can email it or send to flights, but press plates. And that opens up a dialog which will essentially provide you with all of the information you need from the left side of the screen. As you see, the departure airport's at the top and the arrival airport's at the bottom. In this case, Owensboro, and in the bottom it's going to be Jonesboro, Arkansas. So you can get approach plates and departures, and you can also get arrivals and airport information, airport diagrams, and everything like that, all within this one menu. And of course, you can import those or you can save them in your plates for use during the flight. But in any case, I thought this was a really neat feature. I hope you enjoy it. Please post your comments, questions, or feedback below. And until next time, safe flying, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, tomorrow I'll be in Owensboro, Kentucky midday. So if you're around, let me know in advance. Maybe we can link up at the airport. And then, of course, I'll be in Jonesboro, Arkansas in the afternoon. So until next time, safe flying. And thanks again for watching the videos.